आज हम क्लास 7 के जनरल साइंस के MCQs हल करेंगे। अब स्टार्ट करते हैं मशक नंबर 1 से।
Question number 1. The digested food is absorbed into the blood in the correct option small intestine. Question number 2. The secretion of liver is called bile. Correct option. Question number 3. The mechanical breakdown of food occur in the correct option mouth and stomach. The question number 4. The alternate name for trachea is correct option windpipe. Question number 5. The structure which separate chest cavity from the abdominal is called correct option diaphragm. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं यूनिट 2 ट्रांसपोर्ट इन ह्यूमन and plants. First question. The blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body through correct option arteries. Question number 2. The transport of water from roots in plants takes place through correct option phloem. Question number 3. The evaporation of water from leaves is called correct option transpiration. Question number 4. The largest artery is called. Question number 5. Synthesis of carbohydrates takes place in correct option leaves. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं यूनिट 3 रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which one of the following is the female sex organ? Carpal. Correct option. Question number 2. Potato is asexually produced through correct option tubers. Question number 3. Self-pollination occurs between correct option same or different flower of the same plants. Question number 4. Seed developed from correct option ovules. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not a reproductive structure? Sepal.